Different types of people when a fire alarm goes off at school.
We're gonna drive.
What? I'm not leaving my stuff here? Yeah, in case I smell outside. Yeah, no, Martha, it's an actual fire. Like, literally, I saw Lizzie set Alice's hair on fire, and now the whole school's collapsed. I've literally seen it. The whole school's flames. In flames. Dave, mate, do you know what this means? We don't have to do our test next lesson. Get in! Get in, fam! Shh, guys, Miss said we have to be quiet and line up and register orders. Can we do that right now, please? Come on, Miss said do that. Come on! Michelle, where's Alice? I swear she literally just went to the toilet. She's gonna